In this video, we will show how to replace the filter element in a Welch 1417 directional exhaust filter. Please make sure you are using the proper personal protective equipment and that the vacuum pump is turned off and unplugged. For this demonstration, we are using safety glasses, rubber gloves, a lab coat, and the power cord is disconnected. Have your tools and equipment ready. The replacement element, a 1/8 inch hex drive for removing the assembly screws, and rags or paper towels for spills and cleanup. Here, we are changing the filter while still mounted onto the vacuum pump. It is also very easy to detach the filter from the pump and replace the element working from a bench top. Steps for filter replacement are: using the 1/8 inch hex drive, loosen and remove the 4 housing screws. Remove the top filter housing and set aside. Please note the location of the O-rings for proper assembly. Remove the top element plate. Replace the old filter element. Reassemble the element plate with the O-ring and the top housing. Note that the O-rings were seated properly. Reassemble the 4 housing screws. With the 4 housing screws, tighten to slightly compress the O-ring seal. Be careful not to over-tighten. The pump is ready for vacuum service.